We're getting a breaking update of a day after two policemen who were martyred in the terror attack in Bandipora. The NC patron, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, has once again batted for talks with Pakistan. And this is coming at a time when CCTV footage has also captured the terrorist who seems to be running away from the spot after this incident happened.
Yesterday also, police personnel were killed in Kashmir Valley.
Why are you asking this again? What do you want me to say?
What? Why?
What? What do you want me to say? What?
I'm simply asking because...
What do you want me to say? Do you think we're happy that they're killing people? It's a sad story. Tell the government who are saying everything is honky-dory. Is it honky-dory? Are people safe? When your police personnel are not safe, how is an ordinary man safe? You have to talk. There is no way out. You can talk to China. What do you say about that? Huh? China is coming forward.
Pakistani
They are occupying our territory. They made their own houses in their territory. Does Government of India allow discussion in the Parliament to understand what the Chinese are doing?
Gursimran, what is more important? Don't the lives of the policemen who were unfortunately martyred in this terror attack, don't their lives matter at all?
Now instead of speaking out against the Pakistan, Farooq Abdullah choose to blame the government of India for what has happened yesterday. He said that if policemen are not safe, then how come the common man be safe? Apart from this, he also batted for talks with Pakistan, and it came at a time when the people, the Kashmiri Pandit, the representatives from that very stage, they were saying that it was Pakistan that was behind bloodshed in Kashmir Valley, and that led to exodus of Kashmiri Pandits in 90s. But Farooq Abdullah chose not to go by what the real victims of the Pakistan were saying, but yes, he once again took his own line, then batting for talks with the Pakistan. And this has come a day after two terrorists, one terrorist of the Pakistan along with his two overground workers, killed two policemen of Jammu and Kashmir police. And this was a cowardice attack. But yes, Farooq Abdullah, as usual, chose not to target the Pakistan, chose not to target, even name Pakistan for the bloodshed in Kashmir Valley, for killing those two innocent Kashmiri people, those who were serving in Jammu and Kashmir police. We saw some of the tragic visuals yesterday, that how brutally they were gunned down by the terrorists. But yes, as obvious, Farooq Abdullah chose not to say anything against Pakistan, but he targeted the government, said that it is the government's failure, and if policemen are not safe, then how come the people be safe? He also once again advocated for the talks with Pakistan at a time when we saw how heightened activities across the line of control and international borders are being made by Pakistan so that they can vitiate the peace process and they can kill common people of Jammu and Kashmir. But that hardly matters for Farooq Abdullah. What it matters for the so-called his stand when he says that I want talks with Pakistan.
And this is something, Gursimran, which is not happening for the first time. I mean, ever since, Dr. Farooq Abdullah gives a media reaction or something, he has been always regularly batting for talks with Pakistan. Why?
Now they are trying to garner the ground they have lost ahead of the possible elections that are to take place in Jammu and Kashmir. Now the National Conference is looking for its revival in Jammu and Kashmir, because we have seen even Umar Abdullah accepting on stage that even they have faced a dent, and that's why some of the bad decisions were taken by the party. And now with taking this line of quote-unquote talks with Pakistan, they are trying to sympathize some of the lobby in Jammu and Kashmir so that they can garner some votes. But the reality is that the things have changed on ground, and the people also see that how Pakistan pushed terrorists into the Indian territory, how this terrorist plan attacks on the civilians and the security forces, and how all this goes on the directions of the Pakistan. So it is not going to help National Conference or Farooq Abdullah anymore in Jammu and Kashmir if they feel so.
Well, on one side, forces are being targeted in Jammu and Kashmir, but Dr. Farooq Abdullah, completely oblivious to that, still continues to bat for talks with rogue nation Pakistan. Gursimran, thank you.